seem to have been in contact with the narrator before, so perhaps you are already aware. You and I have something in common, little creature. We both have something unfortunate growing in us. In my case, there's not much left to be done. But for you, however, there might be a way. The old path. Go to the west part of the farmhouses, and then down to the earth from the land thistles. As deep as you can reach, where the ancients built their temples and did such silly rituals. I will give you something that might be of help. I suggest you hurry.
I don't think I should forgive you. But what choice do I have? You're the only thing I ever known. Just tell me one thing. Did you love me? Outside of when I was being what you needed me to be?
I think we both know that the question you're looking for is very complex, to say the least.
Of course I did. I've made you. I raised you. How could I not?
I wanted to, and a better life I would have in the way that you deserved. Don't be silly. Of course not. You're always just a means to an end. You already know that I don't have an answer for you. Very soon now, it will never matter to you again. But before that, well, just tell me one thing. What do you need to believe in, so that you can be at peace? Rest well.